This is how you take your Zoom AI companion transcriptions and summaries, which are actually the best quality summaries that you're going to get for web meetings. You can have them automatically generate for your whole team whenever they start a meeting. This is how you get them to populate your whole team's recordings to populate inside of Go Highlevel. We're using the Mass Market AI CRM, which is my white label. We do full AI conversational booking, qualification, onboarding follow-up. So booking, qualification, not a calendar link, actually suggesting times off the calendar, and outbound over Facebook, Instagram, SMS, email, WhatsApp, phone, and voice. And so we've got several voice providers, and I'm going to be throwing up some other pro tips here soon. But all you need to do is go into your Zoom backend, and you're going to have a pro account for your team. You're going to go to your main account. It's already here. You're going to have to change the settings in two places. You're going to go to user management, I think. Just go to account management. You're going to go to recording management, meeting summary with AI companion. You want to scroll through all those options, turn it on. Looks like I've got to buy some extra space, but it's well worth it. Let me see what they charge. So yeah, you're going to turn all those settings on there. And then I think I'll just turn on a auto delete after a certain number of days. But yeah, so you're going to go there, and you're going to go to your own settings here in recordings and meeting summaries. Actually, no, I think you go to settings and settings. You go to settings. You're going to go AI companion and recording. You're going to make sure they're all recorded, and you can choose who they're shared with after. But the problem is I keep having problems like, getting them from reps when the meeting was in their Zoom room and things like this. But if you have all of your team registered with the same emails that you've created for your organization and that are integrated into Go Highlevel, you simply create a contact with a no reply Zoom email address, and bam, make sure your email is set up with two-way sync. I'll show you how to do that real quick. So you can go to my profile. Obviously, you integrate your Google account first in integrations and under settings. And then you're going to go down here, make sure you've got two-way sync on for all your reps here, and that'll do it. I have my Zoom linked here as well. Once that two-way sync is on, the Zoom emails will start showing up in the dash. And what I did to make sure the whole team gets notified, because we have our scheduled morning meetings in a Zoom room, and we also have scheduled Q&A calls with clients every Tuesday at 8, and we do a upper level meeting at 8 p.m. on Saturday. And so that way all of them, they come right here. And so this is perfect for after a meeting, your rep, no matter whose meeting it is, everybody's got access to the summary. Wait, let me see if I can show you a different summary. Yeah, very detailed summaries. This was just a very short one where I was actually explaining to my team how to get on and find the meetings. I added my whole sales team as followers. I'm the owner, so they all get notified. Now, the way I use this is it now allows me quick oversight into what happens on all the meetings I'm not on. Zoom, not having easy access to that stuff, means it's hard to see everything that's going on from the conversation view with your reps, and it's nice to have it all in one place. So now you can go right here to get all your links. Your reps can copy these summaries, use them to do post-call emails. You can copy this, copy it into GPT, and say, write me an email. Lots of great things that this helps increase the efficiency of. I also, this morning sales meeting, I take these summaries and I feed them into to create FAQs that are time-stamped, which I can upload to our AI for our team. That allows us to have basically a running list of answers to questions that happen in each type of meeting. So personal meeting room, those would be presentations. And then we've got the morning meetings, which, we just started this, so they're not shown here. But you can tell what they are. You can start, creating a data pipeline to eventually have an AI answer all those questions that are normally asked on morning meetings or in those client onboarding meetings, etc. So setting up your data pipelines is super important. If you want me to help you take it from here to FAQs, so you can have an AI sales manager in your dashboard like this, let me know. I've got to log in on my browser right outside at first. Maybe not. I've used it before that way. Well, either way, it works. I just haven't, something's going on right now. But yeah, so they don't have to access it that way anyway. They can always just go right here. So here's our mass market AI sales specialist. Pretty easy. And if you want me to set that up for you, or even set one up that can operate inside of your Discord or your Slack channel, you can have it where when they tag you as the manager, it automatically answers via that FAQ bot that was generated from all your meetings. I can set that up for you. I can set up omni-channel AI. So I've got 3 voice providers integrated into my system. And if you're still watching, I'll show you something else cool. I'm going to make another video about this. But I have a way to make sure that if you're doing a SMS campaign, the carriers pick up on the same messages used over and over, so this will increase deliverability. And I'm going to make another video next that shows how I randomize the first message of every SMS campaign. And you can also use this to actually include context, so to create onboarding bots. You guys are going to love it. So basically I have a status system that's integrated across all my AIs and Go Highlevel. So I just feed the AI basically a few items, and it's able to know. It can say, hey, we haven't gotten your onboarding form since last Friday. We're already behind a couple days. Can you send that over? So it can get that specific automatically. And I'll show you guys that later.